How to fix Instagram chat draw option not showing up. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to make sure that the application is up to date. So head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, search for Instagram. Now simply click on this app. If you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So make sure to tap on update and update it. Once done, head over to settings. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this space, scroll down and move into Instagram. Tap on Offload app once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.